Check out this incredible hair. Good morning. Some pretty remarkable events happened last night. Today, Osama bin Laden is dead. It's a pretty big accomplishment for America. Yeah, so he's dead. So I guess I'm gonna go return the mail then. Maybe get a burrito. Taqueria Ramiro and Son. Doing some of my vlogs right now. I'm finishing up. That's what I'm doing.